Hello, hello. Happy Thanksgiving if you are watching this actually on Thursday. So, we're on day 11. Um, this is going to be a burn the bird class. So, what that means is we are going to fire it up, burn some heat. This is going to be faster paced than I normally teach. My karma friends, this will be a little bit more karma paced for you guys. So um, just do your best. Take a break if you need it. You can pause the video, whatever, before we move to the next flow. But we're pretty much going to move the entire time and pre burn that turkey. um, okay, so we're going to start standing today. I don't think we've done this yet. So you're just going to come to the top of your mat. I'm facing this way to start. You guys can face, the front of your mat. By the way, I think I have to squat if you can see my face, on an amazing playlist put together specifically for this class. So I would highly recommend doing this to music or some beats to just, get you pumped up. All right, let's move, guys. Okay, standing at the top of your mat. Let's inhale, take a big sweep of the arms up. Exhale, bring the hands to your heart. Again, inhale, sweep it out and up. Exhale, hands to heart. One more time. Inhale, reach up. This time, exhale, forward fold, come all the way down. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, step back, downward facing dog. Okay, from here, we're going to pedal the feet left and right, up and down. Just take about 3 breaths here. Good. Opening the hips. You can rock it side to side, just creating some movement. One more breath. Okay, and then inhale, plank pose. Exhale, lower all the way to your belly. Untuck the toes. Inhale, lift the chest, cobra. Exhale, lower back down. Child's pose. Knees wide, hips back. Take a breath in. Good, breath out. Okay, downward facing dog. We'll meet. From here, right leg high, inhale. Bend the knees, stack open the hips. Good. Exhale, step the right foot between the hands. Come all the way up to high lunge. Inhale. Exhale, sweep the arms back, chest forward. Inhale, come back through center. Warrior 2, back heel spins down, open left. Inhale, right leg straight, palms up. Exhale, rebend, warrior 2. Inhale, lift. Exhale, sink in. Good, just flow with it. Inhale, rise. Exhale, lower. One more, inhale, lift. Exhale, warrior 2. Flip the front palm, inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands all the way down to the mat. Step back, plank pose. Chaturanga, exhale. Upward dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left leg high, inhale. Bend the knees, stack it open. Exhale, step the left foot between the hands. Rise up, crescent high lunge. Inhale. Exhale, sweep the arms back, chest forward. Inhale, lift. Exhale, warrior 2, back heel down, open to the right. Inhale, left leg straight, palms touch. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, rise. Exhale, deepen. 2 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Good. Exhale, warrior two. Flip the front palm, reverse your warrior. Inhale. Exhale, cartwheel the hands to the mat. Step back, plank pose. Inhale. Chaturanga. Exhale. Up dog. Inhale. Downward dog. Exhale. Breathe in. Good. Breathe out. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Bend the knees, look forward, walk or float top of your mat. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, we fold. Rise up, inhale. Hands to the heart, exhale. Good, we're going to do some lunging sun salutations here. So inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, right foot steps back, right knee down. Low lunge, inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands to the mat. Downward facing dog. Inhale, plank pose. Exhale, chaturanga. Up dog or cobra. Downward dog, exhale. Right leg high, inhale. Right foot steps forward. Left knee down, exhale. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands down, step it forward. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands to your heart. One more set. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift halfway. Step the left toes back, left knee down. You guys got this. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands down, downward dog. Good. Inhale, plank pose. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Down dog, exhale. Left leg up, inhale. Left foot steps forward. Right knee down, exhale. Inhale, low lunge, arms up. Exhale, hands down, step it forward. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands to your heart. Good. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift halfway. This time, plank pose. Step back, straight line. Good. Chaturanga, exhale. Up dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Good. Take a breath in. Breath out. Good. Bend the knees, look forward. Walk or float to the top of your mat. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, dive down. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, vinyasa. Step back, plank. Chaturanga, lower down. Up dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. So if you get tired, skip those. You can use your knees to lower down. Keep it moving. Bend the knees, look forward. Walk or hop top of the mat. We have one more of those. Lift halfway, inhale. Fold, exhale. Rise up, inhale. Hands to your heart, exhale. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, step or optional float back. Chaturanga. Upward dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Good. Take a breath in. Breath out. All right, you should be feeling pretty warm now. We're going to keep it moving. Excuse me. Right leg up, inhale. Exhale, step the right foot between the hands. Warrior one. So back heel comes down at a 45-degree angle. Inhale, rise up, square the hips. Good. Exhale, hands to the mat. Step back, downward facing dog. Left leg up, inhale. Left foot steps forward. Warrior one. Back heel down, rise up, inhale. Exhale, hands to the mat. Downward facing dog. Inhale, plank pose. Exhale, chaturanga. Up dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Good. Bend the knees, look forward. Walk or float, top of the mat. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, reach up. Chair pose. Bend the knees, sink the hips down. We're going to take 3 breaths here. Squeeze the glutes, belly in tight. 2 more. Weight in the heels. Last breath in. Exhale, forward fold. Good. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, vinyasa. Step or float back. Chaturanga. Upward dog. Downward dog. Breathe in. Good. Breathe out. Okay. We're going to do 1 more of those. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, warrior 1, step it through. Inhale, rise. 1 breath. Exhale, hands down. Downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left foot forward. Warrior 1, rise up. Exhale, hands down. Downward dog. Inhale, plank pose. Chaturanga, exhale. Upward dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Bend the knees, look forward. Walk or hop, top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Rise up, inhale. Hands to heart, exhale. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, chair, sink it low. 3 breaths. Breathe in. Breathe out. 2 more. You got it. 1 last breath. Good. Forward fold. Let it go. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, vinyasa. Step back. Chaturanga. Upward dog. Downward facing dog. Take 3 breaths. Catch the breath here. One more. Okay, we're going to add on to that first set we did at the beginning of class here. So inhale, bring the right leg high. Exhale, knee to right elbow, tap out to the side. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, lift. 1 more. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, lift. Exhale, step the right foot through. Rise up, high lunge. So you're on the ball of the back foot this time. Exhale, sweep the arms back, chest forward. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, sweep it back. Inhale, rise. Last one. Exhale, sweep it back. Hold here. Warrior 3, float the left leg. Give me 3 breaths. For 2. Good. For 1. We're going to step back to warrior 2. So that left foot steps back, heel down. Open up to the left. Good. Right leg straight, palms touch overhead. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, lift. Exhale, sink in. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Inhale, rise. Exhale, warrior 2, stay. Flip the front palm, reverse your warrior, inhale. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down to the mat. Step back, plank pose, chaturanga. Up dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Left leg up, inhale. Exhale, left knee, left elbow. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, step the left foot forward. High lunge. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, sweep it back, chest forward. Inhale, lift. Exhale, sweep back. Inhale, lift. Good. Exhale, sweep back, hold here. Warrior 3, float the right leg, chest forward. 3 breaths. Keep the chest lifted, hips down, squared to the mat. 1 more breath. Okay, step it back gently. Right foot comes flat on the mat. Warrior 2, open up, breathe out. Left leg straight, palms touch overhead. Warrior 2, exhale. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bend. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bend. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, warrior 2. Flip the front palm, reverse your warrior. Exhale, cartwheel it down. Step back, plank pose, inhale. Chaturanga, exhale. Upward dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. 3 breaths. Good. Hope you're sweating now. Okay, let's take a child's pose for just a moment. So knees down, hips wide, or knees wide, hips back. Breathe in. Breathe out. 1 more. Okay, from here, sit up, walk it back to your knees, sit on the heels. And then we're going to roll onto our backs, and we're going to end with some abs. So I don't usually do this, so what a treat for you guys. Okay, so I think I did this once for you, UFC people. Not sure if you liked it or not. We're going to come to our backs. We're almost done. Hang with me. Okay. From here, keep the knees bent, feet on the mat. We're going to bring the palms together, straighten the arms, so palms at prayer. And you're going to pulse upward, just lifting the shoulders up off the mat and pulse the hands through the legs. So we'll begin. Inhale, lift and pulse. So as you crunch in, take your exhale, your air out. As you come down, inhale. You can even make this short little breaths, so out, 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 out. Or you can slow this down and make it more intentional. You can follow the beat of the music. Good, and we're here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lay it flat. Reach the arms up overhead. Take a big upper body stretch. Inhale. Good. Okay, exhale, bring the hands down to your mat. We're going to bring the legs straight up to the sky. If you need support for your lower back, you can make a triangle shape and bring the hands underneath, kind of where your tailbone is, for your butt to rest on. Otherwise, you're keeping the hands flat on the mat here. Okay, so inhale. We lower the legs. Exhale, bring the legs back up. Inhale, lower down. Just as far as you can go. Inhale, lift up. Good. So inhale, you might be lowering a quarter of the way, half of the way, 3/4. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Good. So just up to you and your flexibility. How tired you're feeling. Challenge yourself today. Good. Keep going. I promise I'd keep this short, so 5 more. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale. This is 3, 2, and 1. Finish it. Exhale, bring it back up. Good, and hug those knees into the chest. All right, you guys did it. So gentle rock, side to side. Let's take a breath in. Stop in the center. And exhale. Let the knees fall to the right. Let's find a twist. Gaze out to the left. You can extend the left arm. Okay, inhale, come to center. Exhale, twist to the left. Gaze out to the right. Good. So, congrats to you for trying maybe something new today. It's the point of these 30 days is to expand your practice, to find new ways to move. Okay, inhale, come to center. Let's hug those knees in one last time. Good, and then exhale, Shavasana, saving the best for last. Legs long, arms down by the side, shut those eyes down, and just find stillness here. Reminder, if you need more, there's those meditation practices. You can repeat this class if you have 2 Thanksgivings to go to today. Okay, just enjoy the moment. Okay, you're welcome to stay. Enjoy the stillness and the quiet before the busy day, or maybe after the busy day, depending where you're at. If you'd like, you can come find a comfortable seat with us back at the top of your mat. I'll close this with 2 breaths. So inhale, reach the arms to the sky, palms touch. Exhale, draw the hands down to your heart. Let's take one more breath in. Breath out. We bow forward, finding gratitude for this practice. Namaste. All right, thank you guys. Awesome job. We will slow it down tomorrow. And happy Thanksgiving.